How's it going, YouTube? So today we're going to be working on my 2000 Mercury Sable. We're going to be doing a tune-up, so we're going to be changing out the spark plug wires and the spark plugs. And this is a transverse mounted V6. So if you've ever done any spark plugs on a transverse mounted V6, you know that the plugs in the back near the firewall can always be a little bit of a stickler to get to. But I'll try to show you how to do them. I have these neat little spark plug boot pliers. And then you might also just be able to use these right angle needle nose pliers as well. So let me bring you over here. We'll start on the back plugs since those are the hardest ones, and we'll just move forward. So right now I got you guys stuffed against the firewall. So here's one spark plug boot. Here is the EGR tube right here. So we're going to go ahead and start working on this one, and then we're going to move down. We got another one right here, and then I don't know if this one's going to come on camera, but there's another one all the way back here. So go ahead and try to pull this guy off. Generally, they're kind of a pain in the butt. This feels pretty dry, not very nice. Oh, that one came off. Okay. This is a 5/8 spark plug socket. Go ahead, slip it on the spark plug, get it nice and seated. Get this 3-inch extension and put the ratchet on. The spark plug wires that I purchased, these Walker Thundercore Pro, I would say more like Thundercraft Pro, they did not fit. They had, I think, 4 wires in there. They were all the same length, and I had my doubts that they were gonna fit, and they did not. So that sucks. So yeah, I'll be buying some different wires tomorrow. Purchase these on Rock Auto, so I need this car tomorrow, and I'm just gonna have to go to the store and buy spark plug wires now. But the good thing is that this tune-up was not in vain. So all of the plugs gapped to about 80 to 90 thousandths. The stock gap on this thing is 44 thousandths. So the gap has opened up double. I am shocked that this thing was not misfiring like crazy. And yeah, I'm excited to feel the power of the Vulcan, the 3-liter Vulcan V6, man. So anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we get some new spark plug wires.
Here I just wanted to show a picture of the badly worn spark plugs. And then next, here is the part number of the spark plug wires I purchased off of Rock Auto. Now, Rock Auto gave me a full refund for the wire set and stated that this was not an issue with Walker, but an issue on their end. So if you end up seeing this part number listed for a Taurus or Sable with a 3-liter overhead valve engine, I would not buy this item. Lastly, in these pictures, you can see the 4 equal length wires I received from that Walker set, which measured out to be 28 inches, and the longest original wire from the car was 32 inches.
So I went ahead and finalized the wires in the back. You guys saw me take them off, so I didn't really want to stuff the camera back there and show you how I put them back on. You know, again, just to recap, taking off the spark plug boots in the back. I mean, a pair of right angle needle nose, a standard pair of pliers. You know, if you want, you can use these special spark plug wire boots. And one trick that I want to go over that I use, this spark plug socket is a 5/8 socket. It has this little rubber insert, and this holds the spark plug in. Now, when you use this plug to remove the spark plug, it's very handy because the spark plug will get pretty well seated into this rubber and it won't fall out. But when you go ahead and install it, what ends up happening is when you have this rubber inserted fully in the socket, the piece of rubber will come off and it will stay on the spark plug. So while you're back there digging around, you pull your spark plug socket off and then the rubber's no longer there. So what I end up doing is I'll only push the spark plug in a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and I'll thread it in, and then I'll pull it out, and then the rubber is still in the socket, and then I'll get a pick and I'll pull the rubber insert out and then use this as a standard socket. Or you can just have 2 separate sockets, you know, whatever you want to do. Anyways, I really hope you guys found this video helpful, educational, and entertaining. And until next time, YouTube, thanks and take care.